In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Meccha Chameleon on PC quickly and easily. The first thing you need to do is have Steam installed on your PC, as Meccha Chameleon is officially available through this platform. If you don't have Steam yet, you can download it for free from the official website. Once you're in Steam, use the search bar to find Meccha Chameleon. When the game appears, open its official store page, where you can review its information before installing it. Next, add the game to your library or purchase it if required. After that, simply click the install button and choose the location where you want to install the game on your computer. The download will begin automatically, and once it's finished, Steam will install all the necessary files. When the installation is complete, click play from your Steam library to launch Meccha Chameleon for the first time. And that's it. That's how easy it is to download and install Meccha Chameleon on PC using the official Steam platform. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.